This is Sharkbite water heater connector. One side it got the push connection, you can connect copper or PEX. On the other side you can connect to the water valve. In this video I'm going to show you how to connect it and how to remove it. Let's get started. First step, cut the copper. After the copper was cut, you need to remove the burr. Now you see it's really sharp. First one, to remove the outside, using this way, and push hard and turn. Let's using this side to clean the inside. Then mark the copper, 0.95 inch. You don't need to use the sandpaper to sand the surface, but you're gonna make sure that the copper tube is round and there's no dirt, no damage. So let's look inside. In the middle, there is a plastic collar. So this one, if you're using PEX, it must be in there. In this video, I'm gonna install with the copper tube, so you can leave this one in. You look at further in, there is the like a teeth. This is the stainless grab ring. Actually, when you push the copper in, it will grab the copper. And there is another ring, it's the O-ring. O-ring is actually the seal. So when you push in further, you will meet the O-ring. You need to pass the O-ring to get a good seal. So that's why we need a mark right here. So you need to push all the way in to here. When you get ready, just put this one into the tube like this. And the fitting and the tube must be lined up and push. You're gonna make sure that the line is facing you. Like this. The mark is right here. You cannot push any further. It means that the tube is all the way in. So let's install the other side. The other side is pretty simple. That you just use the thread to thread it in, but you're gonna make sure that you are using the tape. You need to put the tape on the thread and make it tight. Like this. And actually this one can turn, it's very easy to install. And then you're gonna use the wrench to make it tight. This is very flexible, but if you bend it too sharp, it actually will stop the flow. If there's a possibility that the sharp bend will occur, I advise you to buy a longer one, so longer will make a good loop. Sometimes you might make a mistake or you just want to change your plan, and for Sharkbite it's actually very easy. So for this part we just turn. For the push connection, the Sharkbite got a special tool. This is the disconnector, have the different size. And you turn it back. So this side facing the fitting. You put that in and push to the fitting. Make sure that the plastic collar push in. At the same time, you grab the tube, take it out. So you need to push really hard. So push and take the tube. Yeah, you may not take it out by one take. You probably try 2-3 times. And then after you take this one out, you're gonna look inside, see any damage. If any damage inside, you cannot reuse this. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching.